Meaning of evenness.
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 Evenness. Evenness refers to the quality or state of being evenly distributed or balanced. It can refer to the distribution of something physical, such as weight or color, or something abstract, such as resources or opportunities. When something is even, it is uniform and lacks variation or disparity. This can be desirable in various contexts, such as in sports where a level playing field is needed for fair competition, or in social systems where equal access to resources is important for social justice. Overall, evenness promotes stability, fairness, and harmony.